Hey guys, welcome back to Meepers Jeepers. Today what I got for you is, I know that I did a screwdriver video, between Icon and Snap-on, and I still have them screwdrivers. They still work great. And I did have these when I did that video, and I'm not sure why I did not include them, but these are Vessel, guys. Let me turn it around. Vessel screwdrivers. Now, what's nice about these is that ball. I mean, especially, woodworking or doing stuff in the house, and even automotive applications. It's a ratcheting head, and it's the rubber it fits so nice in your hand. It's so easy to use, and it's got rubber. If you can see here, the secondary collar of rubber. That's so you can hold it and spin them with your fingers. So you either get them started or, get them broke free and then spin them out with your fingers. So, and like I said, they are ratcheting. This one is locked. You can also lock them. So it doesn't ratchet at all. So this little collar, the yellow collars on the screwdrivers, you turn them one way or the other. And that's, left. So coming out, you turn it all the way back. You got to hold the ball all the way back. Runs them down. You see this? I got this one just started, but they fit so great, guys, in your hand, and with that nice sticky rubber that's on them, guys. Vessel is a ridiculous Japanese. I think they mostly do, screwdrivers. I think they do some impacts, but I don't think that they sell them in the U.S. yet. See, run it down tight. Let's turn it back. I mean, I don't think I can get it loose enough to... Yeah, I can spin it with my fingers a little bit. But, when you get it real loose, like in the automotive, there we go. You just spin it with your fingers. So you get 3 with this set. Let me flip it back and run that back in just a hair. With this set that I got, guys, it came with 2 Phillips, 1, 2, and number 3 head, if you can see that right there. And then, 2 flatheads. And even the bits are kind of different on them. And I know that it's some kind of, these fit some kind of, guys, I know I'm going to say it wrong, like JSM fastener, which is a different, I mean, it's a Phillips, but it's different, for Japanese cars. But the one I do like the most, let me get in the box here, is this one here. And I think that I did a video on this, maybe not. If you guys ever used an impact screwdriver, guys, that's what this is. If you can see that spring in there. I mean, this thing is got a nice hardened tip. These things are invaluable, and I have used this several times. And what I use this for, the top, you can see the steel cap, so you can smack it with a hammer. The impact screwdriver, this thing is invaluable for taking off rotor screws. The screws that are only for the factory, like once I get them out, I don't put them back. Because they're just, if you strip one of them out, guys, trying to drill that thing out and get that rotor off, you just turn, a 2-hour job into a 4-hour job. And I know they have extra bits for this impact screwdriver. Guys, I want to say this was like 30 or 40 bucks. But the fact that, I wish you could feel like how heavy this is. Guys, these are some high-end screwdrivers. And this being an impact, like I said, you can see that spring in there. and you smack this thing with a hammer, just like you do a normal impact screwdriver. And it's also got the rubber collar down below, so you can use your fingers once you do get it broke free. But guys, if you don't have an impact screwdriver like this, you got to check out Vessel. These things are ridiculously nice. And like I said, I haven't used these flatheads at all. Like, I don't even... I mean, is there still stuff around that uses flatheads? Not that I know of. Maybe some old vintage stuff that's, made to resemble old stuff. But I don't use flatheads at all. And like I said, and that's right, so it's going on. If you just do that a half a click, you got to hold the ball, it locks it. And it works like a normal screwdriver, back and forth. So you hear no ratcheting. Can you see that spinning? So, and I've had these, I've had these for a couple months. I've used them a few times in the house, but guys, I can't say enough about that ball grip. Like, guys that are older, myself included, they start, getting pains in their hands. And guys, the gripping force on these versus, a regular, screwdriver, you don't have to grip these near as hard because your hand, when you go around it, it just cups it so nicely. So, if you got older guys right here that have arthritis in their hands, mine's kind of in my thumbs, it's nice to only have to use about half of the gripping power to get the same job done, with your typical ordinary screwdriver. So even with, the ergonomics of, say, a Snap-on, I mean, it's a little better than, say, the rounded. I mean, them Huskies have, nice rubber grips on them, and I've had these forever. Look at them. I mean, the old Husky stuff is pretty decent. Even though the Snap-ons are like triangulated, a little more ergonomic to fit your hand, but you still, when you're using it, I mean, when you got a hard fastener to break free, everybody puts their hand on it, pushes down on that fastener, and tries to spin it out. These here, they pretty much just, once you grab them, that rubber that's in them, it's so grippy that, guys, I would say half the force necessary for these Vessel ball grip ratcheting screwdrivers, you need half the grip you need for this. Maybe not this, but definitely this. Even though this is a great screwdriver, again, us older guys, we're having a hard time, sometimes really bearing down on that and gripping at the same time. When this one here, really all I got to do is push down a little gripping force on that. Sorry, guys, my light went out again. And it's just so easy to turn, even with like two fingers. And I mean, that's in, plywood, laminated plywood. So guys, I can't say enough about these things. I got a couple of the multi, bit ones, like the bit will flip over. It's a multi screwdriver, in the pack out for the house. Kind of keep my automotive and house tools separately, so I'm not digging through, a couple hundred tools to find what I need. But guys, if you can get your hands on a set of these Vessel screwdrivers, again, the set is 5-piece. You get 2 flats and the 1, 2, and 3 Phillips. Guys, you will not be disappointed. These things are so ridiculously nice, and I mean, I don't know what else to say about them, guys. I mean, they work superbly. I mean, it can be a ratcheting screwdriver, or like it is now, solid head, half a turn one way, turns it back into a ratcheting screwdriver. And everything that I've seen with Vessel, I mean, they come out with some pretty, I don't want to call them custom screwdrivers, but, different style and color of handles. Most of screwdrivers, even Snap-on, I mean, they're red and gray. They don't really have, different handles. I'm sure you can change them you know, if you want to spend the cash to do it. But guys, again, if you, especially older guys that have a rough time gripping stuff, guys, you won't be disappointed. Check these out. I don't remember what I paid for them. I've had them for, again, a month or two. I want to say maybe around $100 on Amazon. But guys, you can hear that ratcheting mechanism. I would say they're maybe 60, 70 teeth or something like that. But the positive lockup, I mean, when you go back the other way, guys, it straight locks up. And they are awesome. So, I know it's a short video, guys. You know, if you got a set of these, tell me what you think about them. Would you buy them again? Me, absolutely. Like, I would definitely buy the ratcheting type again, just for the easy use, you know, in the house, putting, you know, the cam locks in your entertainment systems and stuff like that. I mean, guys, these things are invaluable. I mean, they are the best screwdriver, and you guys know, I mean, I got some high-end screwdrivers, old screwdrivers, Icon screwdrivers, and like, if I'm putting a chair or a table or something like that together, I mean, maybe these automotive-wise, because I'm not sure how, you know, I mean, that rubber seems great. I just don't use these on cars. I really use these more for automotive, and these more for, you know, stuff in the house. So, I mean, this one I obviously use for automotive because it's the impact screwdriver, which, guys, get you one. I'm telling you, that thing is so freaking nice. It doesn't have a part number, is 238HW on that impact vessel screwdriver, ball grip screwdriver. So if you guys have them, you know, let me know how you like them. Again, if you would buy them again, because I definitely would. But anyway, guys, that's what I got for you today. I just thought, you know, I haven't done a video on these, and they are well worth doing a video on, and, you know, taking a look at for you guys. Again, guys, I'll say it again. None of this stuff gets sent to me. I buy all this stuff with my own money. So check out the Vessel screwdrivers. You won't be disappointed. You can get them on Amazon. I'll try to link this in the description if they still have them below. And obviously these here you don't get off Amazon. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a like and a subscribe and comment. I do read them all. I do reply to all the comments. So thanks, guys.